We'll guide you through how to turn off the active status on TikTok. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. There's a feature on TikTok which is the activity status. And when this is on, others are going to be able to go and see your active status. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and turn it off. So to go and get started, what you want to do is you want to come to your profile. So go and tap it in the bottom right. Then you want to go to the top right and tap the three lines. You can then go down the list and you want to go and find the option for settings and privacy and tap there. Now you want to go and scroll down like so into interactions, and you want to go and find activity status and tap there. We've got three options: public, so anyone on TikTok can see your activity status; friends, which is followers you follow back; or it can be no one. So to go and turn it off, we'll set it to no one. That's it. They can no longer go and see it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.